Hi, job seekers, hot jobs of this month specially for you. Organization, PayPal. Role. Own production, development and maintenance of weekly business review reports, monthly business review reports, Tableau dashboards, and ongoing analyses to meet SLAs. Partner with product, engineering, instrumentation and analytics teams to understand product, support experiment setups and analyze performance. Perform deep dive analyses on key business trends from different perspectives and package the insights into easily consumable presentations and documents. Continuously look out for automation opportunities and execute prioritized opportunities. Basic qualifications: 2+ years of analytics experience in a fast-growing global technology company or highly regarded startup analyzing large multi-dimensional datasets and synthesizing data insights into actionable recommendations. Good business acumen and flair for numbers. Expert level SQL skills to manipulate large data sets through standard access tools like Teradata. Expert level Tableau skills to create intuitive dashboards. Knowledge of R or Python would be a bonus. Post-graduation or relevant certifications would be a bonus. Job description summary. The team is looking for a self-motivated analytics professional with at least 2 years of experience. The selected candidate for this role would be expected to have the following skills: strong SQL skills with a lot of attention to granular data and visualizing them using Tableau. Ability to perform deep dive analyses on key business trends from different perspectives and package the insights into easily consumable presentations and documents. Ability to front end and interact with stakeholders whenever needed. Job description. Fueled by a fundamental belief that having access to financial services creates opportunity, PayPal, Nasdaq PYPL is committed to democratizing financial services and empowering people and businesses to join and thrive in the global economy. Our open digital payments platform gives PayPal's 254 million active account holders the confidence to connect and transact in new and powerful ways, whether they are online, on a mobile device, in an app, or in person. Through a combination of technological innovation and strategic partnerships, PayPal creates better ways to manage and move money, and offers choice and flexibility when sending payments, paying, or getting paid. Available in more than 200 markets around the world, the PayPal platform, including Braintree, Venmo, and Zoom, enables consumers and merchants to receive money in more than 100 currencies, withdraw funds in 56 currencies, and hold balances in their PayPal accounts in 25 currencies. Who are we? Product Analytics team owns the data infrastructure for all products powered by PayPal and perform analyses needed to empower data-driven decision-making by PayPal's product teams to enable better product offerings for merchants and greater product experience for consumers during their online shopping or peer-to-peer transactions. We do so by building self-service dashboards using tools like Tableau, SQL to crunch data from hundreds of millions of transactions. Eventually, we deliver key business insights and effectively communicate our analyses to business teams globally. We work closely with business teams, data scientists, engineers, instrumentation techies, and finance to develop an enviable suite of metrics, exploratory analyses, tools, and dashboards. All supported by robust data pipelines that scale with our continually expanding business. Organization: Virtusa. Location: Chennai. Job description: Skill: IT support engineer. Role: T3. Do you want to apply your middleware expertise to deliver creative solutions? Do you also want a career where you can truly make a positive impact on the lives of thousands? Then click Apply now to start your next adventure and join our production support team. Key responsibility: Lead the IT operations for Virtusa and BT project. Provide strong customer service for internal IT teams as well as business partners. Work closely with the server and networking teams. Key role in adhering corporate standards for desktop computer software and hardware and conducting reviews to ensure compliance to standards. Maintain overall ownership of users' issue and service, ensuring that they receive resolution within a reasonable time frame. Experience in handling security tools like AV, McAfee and Symantec, patch management tool and encryption tools, USB, admin access, token allocation and the allocation. Ability to work independently and in a team environment. Ability to communicate well with internal and external customers. Qualifications: Bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or related field or equivalent professional experience. 3 years experience in desktop, laptop on-site and phone support. Printer support. Deploying new equipment. Mail account creation, password reset. Maintain logs of computer removals, formats and provide as evidences during the internal, external audits. Knowledge on MacBook support, domain, group policies etc. Knowledge on networking like LAN, cables, asset inventory etc. Manage service requests, software installations, new computer setups, upgrades etc. Provide support to delivery from 9:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. and during weekends whenever necessary. Organization Airport Chennai, Meenambakkam, required in Chennai Airport ground staff only freshers 2020. Job details. Localities Meenambakkam, Gindi, Tambaram Sanatorium, Tirusalam, Alandur. Sub roles Airport ground staff. Role Host, Hostess. Hiring company NMM. Max experience 1. Min experience freshers preferred. Recommended score 63 to 80. Salary 30,000 35,000. Description. Urgently require female cabin crew, air hostess leading domestic airlines. Cabin crew responsibilities, welcoming passengers on board and directing them their seats. Informing passengers of the aircraft safety procedures and ensuring that all hand luggage is securely stowed away. Checking all seat belts and galleys are secured prior to takeoff. Making announcements behalf of the pilot and answering questions during the flight. Airport jobs in Chennai. Checking passengers in flights. Rerouting or rebooking passengers whose flights have been cancelled or delayed. Assisting disabled passengers or those traveling with young children. Giving passengers update information on flights. Required experience, skills and qualifications. Fresher candidates can also apply if they are interested make a career this. Educational qualification HS 10 plus 2 or equivalent and above. Limit 27 years, cabin crew 30 years, ground staff, language proficiency, English, Hindi, and any other regional language. Good communication and interpersonal skills and well groomed. Physically fit height, minimum 157 centimeters, female, 0 centimeters, pleasing personality with strong interpersonal skills. See you soon in next video with new job updates.
Hello job seekers, hope I have given you the useful video. I would request you to leave your comments in the comment section about the video and also let us know about the job updates you would like us to post here. Thank you. See you soon in the next video. Bye.